see the sections we removed with the plasma cutter. You can hire a plasma cutter, it will make it a lot easier to cut the panels out. There's a line through here, you'll see a line in the panel seam. You're going to cut through there, down here, follow the seam for the firewall all the way down there, straight across, back up, remove that section, make sure all your looms out and away. Use a welding blanket in behind the engine so you don't set things on fire. You got your back panel as well. Cut straight down through. Don't come too close to this. Your chassis. Same this side. Remove that section. Then the boot floor. We go across the back, up, staying away from the chassis. You're going to tidy this up afterwards. Across here, you can remove that section. And then on you go to the next section. Moving the roof. Cut across here. You can save this section. Just cut down there. So about here, here. Leave that panel on. You can fold that over later because there's a hole under this roof. Cut along here, down, up to your other cut. You can join this down so you can remove that section there if you like. Cut through here, cut through here. You're going to have to come right down later, so don't be too fussed about how high you cut this because it's almost going to be cut level. Later on during the build, this whole panel gets smashed down with a hammer to clear the body. Here, you cut through here. There's sections inside here as well. Don't just think it's an outer wall because it's not. Put a bit of protective metal in between the dash and the pillar so you don't burn the dash if you plan on keeping your dash. But you still want it there to cover it. The line is the corner of this dash followed up straight through to the lip of this. So you're going to cut straight through there, both sides, and remove the whole roof section.